guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. So today we have another unboxing from Temu. Or Temu. Let me know in the comment section. So I got this how will I say it? Is it a notification? Yes, it popped up on my phone. When blah 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 blah. I said, let me just go check this app again. Then I went there and I was clicking. Then I think I want something of not that I want, like I want a coupon code of 400,000 naira, but I still need to buy something before I got that coupon code. So anyway, to cut long story short, these are the things I had to order for me to be able to get the coupon code. And let's check this out together. In case you are seeing heads popping, it's madam. So if you're new to the channel, hi, welcome. My name is Jessica Chonobek. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of this small girl, okay? And welcome to my lifestyle vlog. I hope you enjoy my videos. So let's get started. That is me that is more excited about the unboxing, or this speaking that is more excited about the unboxing. I don't know which one though, but anyway, let's check this out. Let's check it out together.
Maybe there's something inside.
Huh? How do they press this thing like this? Anyway, this is one. This is one of the stuff I got. I'm going to put inserting a picture of it. Okay, so I saw it and I decided to get. I'm always wanted to get something like this. I always want to get something like this before. Okay, so this is for like marble. It's like a marble. It's like a marble something. Marble something. I think the marble something. Okay. All right. So it's sealed. Where is sealed? I've seen the rubber, what they call it, sellotape they use for it.
What is sellotape?
Yeah, this is sellotape. So this is how it is. I'm going to it's waterproof marble wall, whatever. So I'm going to put it to one side of my wall because of my DIY, because you guys know I do DIY. So I'm going to put it to one side of my wall because of my DIY. Okay, so that is why I got it. I mean, how long is this? It's not that so long like that. It's like one, well, I call it 1 yard. This is how it is. It's not very long. Yeah, so I think if you want to get this kind of stuff, you have to get more than just one. Anyway, this one was going for, I think 3,000 naira or 3,000 something. Wait, let me check. Let me check. So this one was going for 3,991 naira. That's what this thing was going for. So this is it. Maybe when I have placed it on the wall, I will insert a video of me placing it on the wall in this particular one, or you might see me inserting it on the wall in one of my vlogs. So anyway, so this is number one item I bought.
Oh no.
So alright, so this is another packaging inside another package. Temu, if you know how to package something.
Yes, you know the packaging fine.
So I got this.
It's for me.
Which for you? It's for me. I got this. Is for nails. It's for nails. I saw it and I was like, let me get it. Since I'm not always fixing my nails, I can just, if I'm going out, I can pop this on and use it to go out. I hope it will enter my hand, shall use it to go out. I love the color. The colors are not that bad. Okay, the colors is 9. The color is nice. Yes, I love the neutral color of it. Yes, so it's just for me to buy super glue and glue it to my hand, and that's it. I love the neutral color of it. So days I don't go to the salon to fix my nails, I can do this by myself. But one thing I've noticed that this thing is not strong. It's not strong. It's going to break. It's not a strong nail, so it's definitely gonna break. So it's not gonna last long. But anyway, I have plenty pieces right here. I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 the same pieces, so it's 10 in like this. And I bought this for 3,000,049, like 49 naira, 3,049 naira. That's what I bought this particular one. So it comes in handy, like I'm going for a dinner date with Oga and I have not gone to the salon to do anything. I just my super glue it and then use white that transparent white paint and paint the hand, and you're good to go. Yes, I think this is hand and leg, or only hand. I don't really say if it's hand and leg or only hand. Maybe the only hand. Anyway, this is the shot. Yeah. So the next item I got is this USB cable. Okay, like it's to put it's USB, but you can use it to, it's flash drive, USB flash drive. Yes, USB flash drive. So hubby, when I was doing my running around on Temu, so I was close to hubby and he was like he wants to bring out some files and some photos and some videos from his phone. He's looking for a USB flash drive. I was like, okay, let me check Temu since I'm already on the site. And I saw this. I was like, okay, I showed him. I was like, it's nice. So this is how it looks like. It has these parts that you put on your computer, and it has this part that you put on your phone. Yes, so you can use this, put this part on your phone like this, you can see, and you can now store your photos, everything inside here. And the same way you store it inside here, the same way you can transfer it on your phone, like whatever files you have, you can also use it to transfer on your phone as well. So since hubby needed it, so that is why I got it for him. So you'll be using it to transfer his documents for work and the rest on this. And this is a, how many gig did I buy, self? How many gig this? Hold on, let me check my phone. I think I have this thing on my phone. Okay, this is 100 gig. This is 100 gig silver USB flash drive. Okay, 100 gig, and I got it for 7,352 naira for this. Okay, this 100 gig. So I bought that one for him. The last item I got is from my YouTube channel. I expected this thing to be inside better container, but they put it like this. But anyway, maybe because of the shipment. So it's a tripod stand. I've been looking for a tripod stand that I will use when I'm doing my vlogs in the house, instead of using this small one I'm using right now. This one I'm using right now is a small one. So like if I'm doing an unboxing or whatever, I can use this one. Or if I'm going outside and I want to do like a full view of my surrounding, holding it like this, I can use it. So this is a selfie tripod stand. Yeah, it's a selfie tripod stand. Don't touch before you spoil it for me. I never open it. You don't touch it. So this is how this one is. I don't know if you get USB. And it's like this. This is how it is. I wonder how long this thing is. You know, long. I'm not saying I do myself. Okay, it's like it has a USB. It has a USB key. Okay, this one no long. Let me do myself. I got pick the one with no long, and I wanted something that is long. Ha! This one is not long. Oh. I needed something that is very long. I can use and do any vlog or anything. This one is not long. This is how, baby, wait. Shift, my love. This is how long this one is. It don't make sense now. Why did I not buy it? Even here self is rubber. Are you sure this thing will hold my phone? I don't want my phone to fall down. I think I need to go and buy another one. There was one I saw.
Oh, maybe you can on it.
Nothing to on here. This is how this one is. Let me push this. Let me push this one. And this one I'm using says it's more stronger. It's not long at all. But it's good for selfie stick, alright? But to say you want to keep it like this, this is not strong. Let me do demonstration for you guys. God have mercy. Please let my phone not fall down in Jesus' name.
Amen.
My phone fall down, I will cry.
I'll buy a new one.
You buy me a new one? My baby girl says she'll buy me a new phone. Whew. Okay, this thing.
Maybe you can turn it. Like you can talk. See?
Alright. This is like this.
You do it like this. You know, this bottle. See?
This is not strong.
See?
This is how it is. I'm not holding it, but my heart is beating. Bagam, 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 bagam.
See?
Alright. So this is nice though. It's not bad. I can leave it as a table, this thing, a higher table stuff, okay, on the table.
You can really on it.
Give me this thing. Give me the remote. So the remote get battery. Oh yeah, take this thing. Alright, on. I think you connect it to your Bluetooth. I'll be connecting it to my Bluetooth. Hopefully, Selfie. So the name of this stuff is Selfie. Here. Then I will. Hi guys. Oh, nice. It's nice though. It's not bad, but the quality. I'm not going to give the quality a good quality because it's not so strong. So it's good for table, keeping it on the table, fine. But say you want to use it like for it to be very, very long, it's not so long. But the fact that you can do it like this, and like this, like it's not 360 show. Where my phone not go for? See, you can go like this. You can go like this. I think this is how you can go. So like this and like this. But anyway, this is it. Alright. And if I want to do like this, hi besties, you get. So welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so this is good. Alright, it's gonna surface for I don't know any other vlog I want to be doing, but giving me different angles anyway. Yeah, loves, this is the camera selfie stick. I wish it was quite longer than this particular height, but anyway, nothing spoil. Nothing spoil, guys. Well, this is everything I got from Temu. What you order versus what you got. Okay, what I got what I ordered for this one. Okay, then this selfie stick. Maybe I did not check how long it is, but anyway, it serves quite right. Alright, it serves quite right. Then this one, this is how it is. I saw it on the website. This is how it is, but did not know if how long it is. So anyway, before I bought it, I checked reviews, okay, people's comments in the comment section before I pick any of this stuff. And if I see your comments, like the comment is good, I'll buy from that vendor. But if I see that the comment is not good, I don't buy. So before you buy anything from any website, check their review, check their comment, if people liked it or if they returned it or if they said the product is not good. And always check off the recent review, like the one of 2025 review. You know that okay, people recently shopped from that particular vendor. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video with me. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. This is everything I bought. Only 1, 2, 3. Where's the other one? 4. Only these 4 items I bought from Temu. Nah, browsing, and I picked this sauce. But I'm glad I bought them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Mama, stop that. Please give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not shared. Comment sorry about the background. Yeah, I'm a mother, so she's always inside my video. That's when she go to school. That is when you can see me. But anyway, since she's still on holiday, school has not resumed. You see more of her. All right, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. May I say bye?